I got this sea salt dark chocolate from Happy Brand. Sea salt? Happy on make me feel. Let's taste. Sea salt dark chocolate. Okay, from Happy Brand. Okay. Oh my God. Dark chocolate healthy. Bango. Oh. Pure chocolate. Pero, meron siyang aftertaste na salt, maalat na konti, salty. Wow! Sarap ah. Yung salt niya yung habang kinuto mo siya, doon lumalabas yung alat, yung salt. Smart, no? May drawing. May drawing siya. Anyway, so sarap. Sarap nito. Bagay ito, no? I think pwede ito sa red wine. For red wine, perfect. Tsaka after na kumain ka. Sea salt dark chocolate from Happy Brand. Luto mo to. Ang sarap. Marami pa naisip dito. Ang sarap.